In this video, I'll be teaching you on how you can use your multimeter to do continuity testing. You take your positive test lead of the meter and plug it, and you take the negative test lead of the meter and plug it. This is the selector switch. You carry the selector switch to the right continuity testing function. As you can see the reality, the next step is you press the function and hold button on the meter. As you can see, it is now set to continuity testing. So we're about to do continuity testing on this single pole switch. So watch and see the reality of this. As you can see the reality,